Everyone wondered why there are so many programming languages. Let's take a quick tour and see why. So let's take the first one, the one we're concentrating on, Python. Python is beginner friendly. It's a readable language. It is used in artificial intelligence, data science, and web apps. Instagram, YouTube, and NASA all use Python. Okay. Secondly, we have HTML with CSS. They are not fully programming languages, and just think of them as building blocks of web pages. HTML structures the page, and CSS ties it. Thirdly, we have JavaScript, which makes sites come alive. It handles the interactiveness of the web pages, like clicking buttons, animations, basically just makes it interactive. We have Java. Java is used for Android apps and large enterprise systems. It is reliable and fast. Lastly, we have C++. C++ is a performance powerhouse. It is used for games, operating systems, and real-time systems. Basically, games like GTA 5 and even GTA 6 that is in production. This is the language they use in producing such games, Fortnite, and a lot more. But you don't actually have to learn all this at once. Programming concepts are universal. If you understand them in one language, switching to another becomes easier. Okay, so in this bootcamp, we will start with Python. Why? Because it is beginner friendly, and then see how the logic looks in C++ and Java. Once you understand the logic, you can conquer any language. In the next video, we will install everything we will need to start coding. So let's do a little comparison. Let's compare and see why Python is the best option to take at any stage, so that when you understand the concept in Python, you'll be able to understand the concept in other language. So this program usually is the first program that any programmer, any beginner that is learning programming, or anybody that is trying to learn how to program, there is actually a first program that he writes, which is usually hello world. But here instead we have a program that prints let's make tech native. So in Python it only takes one line. You can see it only takes one line. Okay, if we go to C++, we see that it takes several lines for us to do the same thing that we did here. Several lines. Whereas in Java it takes five. So um, but you can see the differences in the syntax. There are a lot of things that are different there. Everything, there is a reason for everything. Is a reason why everything is being done. I hope you understand why Python is being chosen to be treated in this bootcamp.